Hey, this is Eric from Wi-Fi Doctors, and today I just wanted to talk through one of my more recent ventures doing a survey. And I was actually able to utilize something that's been around for a long time in making the survey process more comfortable. Now, there are Surface tablets, the Surface Pros, the Surface Books, the iPad, and I've used all of those, and they're great for doing surveys that are going to take a few hours at a time because you are holding a device. 1 to 2 pounds after an hour or two can be very heavy. But if you don't have funds for those types of products, or you just don't have them just yet, here's a solution that you could do. So at home, you may already have an Xbox controller. If you don't, you can always buy one. And the PlayStation 5 controller, I think, works the same. And what you'll notice is, if I can zoom into the screen, I'm able to control the mouse and actually click and create a survey using this controller. This device here is for all-day comfort. So at the end of the day, my hands don't hurt, I don't feel achy, and so it's great for doing Ekahau surveys. It does use up the Bluetooth radio, so you can always plug it in with your laptop. And then something else that I do just to keep the battery going is to use a, just a power brick. So a portable one, and you can get one from Walmart. This one really doesn't work, this Anchor series on the laptop that I have. But if you get one that jumps a car, you normally find them in the auto section of Walmart and other places like that. Those will last a lot longer and be able to power a laptop. I also, for a laptop, because they are generally heavier, will use a body strap. You can see this one. This is one from Amazon. I'll post the link. And it's pretty good. It's a little bit larger than the laptop, so it enables me to have a Surface as well. But just a quick video showing some alternatives if you don't have the funds just yet.